Welcome to the world of MonsterFans by Schwank. We want to show you how our monsters work. Production facilities can get very hot in summer. This is Peter, and Peter works an 8-hour shift, and sometimes the temperatures become unbearable. He is sweating and very uncomfortable. He also admits that his productivity is going down. The management rejected air conditioning because it was too expensive. Meet Katie. Katie owns a gym in a big city. She's as fit as a fiddle and delivers personal training sessions in her studio. Of course, it gets hot and stuffy in there. Strong air conditioning is very cold, and Katie is afraid she and her guests will become chilled. Many members already complained about it. This is Paul, who works at a well-known e-commerce company in one of the country's biggest distribution centers. It gets really hot and stuffy in there, especially in the afternoons, because there is no cooling solution. Peter, Katie, and Paul are not very happy. How can their issue be solved? MonsterFans are very large fans that move massive volumes of air at very low speeds and provide a cool breeze. As the breeze passes over the skin, the apparent temperature is reduced by 41 degrees Fahrenheit. This increases the comfort of all employees in the building. In winter, MonsterFans can save a lot of money. When heating large buildings, the heat naturally rises to the ceiling and the heat is wasted. With slow rotations, MonsterFans enables the warm air to start moving and spread out into the whole building. This is called destratification and saves a lot of energy for your heating system. Why should Peter, David, Katie, and Paul absolutely get their own MonsterFans? Because MonsterFans offer monster comfort in the summer and cost savings in the winter. Want your own MonsterFan? Get in touch.